Hello folks, in this video I want to show you the latest update of the remote TCP and Toolpath URCap and the addition of support for additional Mcodes. This has been a great addition because it will now allow you to control your end effector right within your Toolpath. And so I want to show that feature and how we've also made changes to our dispenser URCap to support this new feature. So essentially what we have here is that we are able to send a command like M63P0, which sets a port high, or M62P0, which sets a port high, and M63P0 sets a port low. So we have here in the installation node, we have set port 0 to be digital output 1. And we have gone into our dispenser here and said that we are now triggering, our IO mode will trigger on digital out 1. So essentially what that does is that if we go here, so to a typical Toolpath file that you can generate through the SolidWorks plugin, it previously did not have any indication of where to turn on a tool and where to turn it off. So now we can manually edit that file in Notepad and choose a point at which we want to turn our IO on, and then all the way at the bottom, define a point at which we want to turn it off. And so when we run this, the IO will turn on and turn off at that point. And if we go here to our program, all we need to do for our dispenser is to say that we want to enable IO mode, and we can do this in CCs or in motor steps. And so when we enable our IO mode and then go into our toolpath, our dispenser will start at that particular point. So if we again run this and I say here play, so this is going to go to that point, and you will see that our IO will go high here, IO1, right at the point where we want to start. You can see the current of the dispenser and it's going, and then so you will see here that right when it gets towards the end, the IO will go low and then the dispenser will stop. So you should see that pretty soon. As we make our way over to the end, this digital output 1 will go low and our dispenser current will go to 0. So now it's retracting, and then it's finished retracting, and then it's essentially gone back to 0. So that is how the new update in the, so to review, the remote TCP toolpath now has this IO, this concept of ports, support for new Mcodes, and the dispenser has a digital IO mode, which you can choose what output you want to trigger. And it becomes then super simple to just choose that file here in the toolpath and set the dispenser in IO mode before you start. And that's all it takes. Thank you very much.